Alright, let's take a look at this 2013 PSLE paper. In the figure, PQRS is a rectangle. So we look at the PQRS as a rectangle and QRT is a right angle triangle. Check it out. Yes. With sides measuring 30, 40 and 50 cm. The perimeter of the shaded part is 174. Look at the shaded part. It is actually this, not really a triangle, but it's actually made up of this shape, right? So this is the perimeter of the shaded part, and it is 174. We are asked to find the ratio of the area of the triangle to the area of the shaded part. Now, in order to find the area of the shaded part, I actually need to find the area of the rectangle, subtract the white triangle. That will give me the area of the shaded part. But what's the problem? The problem is I do not know what is my breadth. So down here, this is where we need to solve. Of course, we can always solve it by the information that we have given. If we let this to be 1 unit, let's find the perimeter because that's where the information is given. So if I take 1 unit plus this is 50 cm plus 1 unit plus 40 cm plus 30 cm, this would give me the perimeter to be 174. 1 unit plus 1 unit, that gives me 2 units. 50 plus 40 plus 30, and that's going to give me 120 cm. Guys, do you know what is 2 units? Of course, 2 units is just 174 minus 120, and that gives me 54 cm. And I can find my 1 unit to be 27 centimeters. I can find that the area of the rectangle is 27 times 50, and that gives me 1,350 square centimeters. What is the area of the white triangle? Do you remember the area of a triangle is given by half times base times height? The base is 30 and the height is 40. What is the shaded area? I'll take 1,350, which is the area of the rectangle, minus the area of the white triangle, and that is 600, giving me 750 square centimeters. The ratio we want to look at is the ratio of the area of the triangle, which is 600, to the area of the shaded part, which we just found to be 750. We always need to give our ratio in its simplest form. Now, how do we do this? Well, the trick is use the fraction function in your calculator. You put 600 over 750 and you're going to get 4 over 5, and that's our answer for the ratio of the area of the triangle to the area of the shaded part.